What's up, everyone? I just want to give a quick update about my Japanese studies. If you watched the last two videos, you'll realize and know already that I am taking the N5 test at some point in the future. If I can do it in December in Atlanta, I will do it. However, I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. I'm taxing my brain a lot by learning so many kanji and doing all the things that I'm doing. Some things have changed since the last video. I mentioned in the last video that I'm using Link and Genki and a dictionary app on the iPhone. I'm still using Genki, although I'm going a little bit slower because I'm trying to basically just learn a lot of vocabulary at this point. Kanji. I found out about a website called Connie, and I really like it a lot. So I started learning kanji there. The whole goal of Kanji is to teach you the Joyo kanji, or a little over 2,000 kanji, and 6,000 something vocabulary words. The way it works is first you learn some radicals, and then from those radicals you learn kanji, and you learn the onyomi reading, or the Chinese reading, and then from those kanji you learn vocabulary words. So in each level, there's 60 levels. I'm on level 3. You learn so many radicals, then you learn so many kanji, then you learn so many vocabulary words, and a lot of the vocabulary words will contain the kunyomi reading. So you're learning both readings essentially. The onyomi reading first, and then when you see it later in the vocabulary section, you learn the kunyomi reading. So at this point, I'm not sure exactly how many kanji I know, maybe 100 kanji at this point, or 100 vocabulary words through Kanji. I'm doing Genki still. I'm on chapter 2. I ended up restarting chapter 1, and I relearned kind of how to write all the hiragana, and went through chapter 1 again while doing the writing exercises and writing all the exercises out. So that took a little time, and currently I'm still learning the vocabulary for chapter 2. What I decided to do is to learn the vocabulary for the lesson first, then go through the lesson so that I can at least do the exercises without having to stop and look in a dictionary. So that's what I'm doing now. I quit Link. I don't know, I just wasn't using it. I was using it mainly for French at first, and my French studies have kind of been taking a back seat. I'm basically just maintaining what I learned in French through Duolingo and Memrise, but Japanese has kind of come to the forefront, especially with the new Duolingo course coming out soon. I'm really excited about that, but Japanese has taken kind of the forefront of my studies. I'm actively studying Japanese every day. So yeah, I hope to take the N5 lesson, the N5 test. I ordered a N5 prep book. It basically is kind of like a test. The booklet is like the test booklet, at least some form of it. Of course, the test probably won't be the exact same as the book, but I figured it can be a good way to gauge how far I am. If I can read and understand the things in the N5 book, then I know I'm ready for the N5 test. Makes sense, right? So that's what I'm going to do. Just stockpiling kanji at this point, trying to build vocabulary, looking at some grammar through another couple of online resources, trying to piece the grammar together while I'm learning vocabulary. So that's what I'm doing. That's where I'm at this point. Kanji. Memrise. I found a deck on Memrise called Kanji. It's backwards from Kanji. And there is a website called Kanji, which will give you the English word and then you translate into the Japanese kanji. The way Kanji works is it gives you the kanji, and then you type out in hiragana the reading, and then it gives you the kanji again and asks for the meaning, and then you give the English translation of the word. So it tests you on both the reading and the meaning. What Kanji does is it gives you the English word, and then you have to give what the kanji is for that word. So, and while I'm doing Kanji on Memrise, I'm saying the reading to myself in my head. So that's where I'm at. I joined JapanesePod101.com. I really like it so far. I'm going slow, just trying to learn. So I'm learning some grammar there as well. I like to be able to listen and kind of hit Japanese or hit a language that I'm learning from all different angles. So I've got online, Kanji. I've got a book form, Genki. I'm listening to the podcast, Japanese Pod 101. I did the 6-month membership at this point to see how it works. So we'll see how that goes. That's about it. That's all I wanted to do was give you an update. I also ordered, and I may be getting ahead of myself, but And I ordered the Japanese version, the Japanese translation of The Hobbit and The Little Prince. I know it's going to be a while before I can read The Hobbit, because even the Esperanto version, which I'm currently reading now, I'm almost done. Got 4 chapters left before I reach the end. Even the Esperanto version has a lot of words that I don't even know yet in Esperanto. And I've been studying Esperanto for a year and a few months. A year and 3 months, I think. Yeah, a year and 3 months I've been studying Esperanto. And I consider myself a, high intermediate level in Esperanto. But I know it's going to be a while before I can ever read The Hobbit. Maybe The Little Prince will be earlier. I don't know. It is a children's book, but even children's books are difficult, I find. I have been rambling. That's about it. See you later.